Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and internship opportunities for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So in this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus jobs and internship opportunities from Pentair, Semtech, KPMG and IDFC First Bank. This is the latest hiring. All freshers graduate can apply for this opportunity. So let's see more details about the opportunity. First hiring is from KPMG. KPMG is hiring for OOPS analyst role for Noida location. To apply for this opportunity, you should be having bachelor's degree in any of the branches or discipline. And if you are having additional MBA degree, then it will be an advantage for this role, but it is not mandatory. So the candidate should be having 0 to 2 years of experience, where freshers can apply for this opportunity. Second hiring is from IDFC First Bank. IDFC First Bank is hiring for data engineer role for Mumbai location. So to apply for this opportunity, you should be having full-time graduate degree in Maths, Commerce, Arts, Science, Business, Computer, Engineering in any discipline or branches or management degree. So all fresh graduates in any discipline can apply for this opportunity. You should be having minimum 0 to 3 years of experience in data engineering. So freshers as well as experienced candidate in data engineering field can apply for this opportunity. You should be having knowledge in SQL, Spark and Hadoop ecosystem. So any fresh graduates who are seeking for the opportunity, you must apply for this job. Third hiring is from Semtech. Semtech is hiring for intern cloud for Pune location. So any BE, BTech, ME, MTech from any branches or discipline can apply for this opportunity. You must be pursuing your BE, BTech degree in full-time mode. So any pursuing candidate who are currently seeking for the internship, then it is a very good opportunity for you where you must apply for this internship. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Pentair. Pentair is hiring for software engineer role for Noida location. To apply for this opportunity, you should be having BE BTech in computer science or related field or master in computer application or computer science candidate can also apply for this opportunity. So talking about the roles and responsibilities, then the selected candidates will be getting the opportunity to work in the areas related to mobile app development, web app development, IoT, DevOps, data science and software testing. So you should be having good understanding related to smartphone application development, Android Studio, React Native, React.js and web and app development. You should be also proficient in any of the programming languages like C, C++, Python or Java with a knowledge in Node and data structures and algorithm. So these were the 4 hiring opportunities. So you must apply for all this opportunity according to your eligibility and criteria. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus jobs and internship opportunities, then you must watch the video and apply for this opportunity. And also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.